Riria Maabitha Borithi kuingirira nigetha makorwo makihoreria ngucanio ici thogothogo ici Ireyumiririe kamiti ya mbunge iri kana ino igi Mihang'o ya mbunge irari ina giikaro kiayo ana kuringana na Spika wa mbunge ino Augite ati Mwahu uria urarikorirwo utakuiguithaniria na aria angi na maria maraikoragwo makiariririo giikaro-ini kiu nikio kiragikorirwo gigituthura Gicanjama kiu.
This county assembly has taken place, which is that while I was in the house, the chambers, presiding over a very important committee meeting, which is the House Business Committee or the Assembly Business Committee, presiding over the slotting for business for the week. In the midst of my business, 3 members of who are there. Actually, one of them is already a member of the committee. The other 2 were members of the committee. I just found myself
discussion like that. I also want to condemn and apologize to the Speaker because the Speaker is constitutionally the chairperson of every crucial committee in this in every county assembly. Article 195 clearly stipulates laws of every committee in every county assembly. I know they are protesting matters in the court of law. From this institution right now to speak. I understand that.
Ripoti yo kuma Kaunti ya Garissa ni iraikuru gitwikirira gaturumo gaito